everyone, it's Brooke, one of your tutorial writers here at Anita Goodesign. I am one of the storytellers behind all of your tutorials and content pieces. In my day-to-day activities, you can find me behind the computer writing your tutorials and content pieces and taking your step-by-step pictures. Whether I am behind the computer or the camera lens, I am with you 100% of the way. Once we are finished with our magazine, it'll head on over to our production team where they will then ship it out.